Alright, so we're here. Spend a week with me from April 22 to 28. Medyo hectic, no? Starting off at Monday, early in the morning. We had to buy stocks for Daddy G Cafe as we are restocking, no, for the month. Yan. So, maaga kami umalis kasi we also have other things to do. So, pauwi na kami. I think I had 5 performances the past week. So as a full-time musician and business owner, medyo may mga times talaga na sobrang daming ginagawa. And I have other side things also that I need to work on. Pero ganun talaga. We should be happy with opportunities to work and enjoy and have fun. No? And so Monday's performance was at Makati Shangri-La's Lobby Lounge. So, first performance of April here again. So, 10-piece musicians, no? So, we had double quartet plus bass and piano sa Lobby Lounge. So, you can catch us there every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 2 o'clock to 5 p.m. So we'll be playing your favorite tunes, no, mga pop songs, upbeat music. May mga nagre-request din ng classical. So pwede naman, no, drop by, you can say hi, and kung may mga requests kayo, we'll try to play it for you, no. Yan. So madami kami dito, 10 kami. So 2 violin 1, 2 violin 2, 2 violas, 2 cellos, ayun nga. String bass and piano during the performances. And it's a really fun time kasi the more musicians, parang mas masaya yung tugtugan, no? Medyo mas mahirap, of course, leading a bigger group, and especially since we are not amplified, so we have to really listen to each other to make a good sound, no? I'll try to post some of our videos here as well, no, na magkakasama. But for now, here's a sneak preview. Wala mo na audio. Ayan. And then, after that performance, Tuesday naman, early morning, na-traffic ako sa, I think, hindi naman sa EDSA eh, pero na-traffic ako a bit. Maga ako malis 8 a.m. going to Park Foundation in San Juan. So we have rehearsals, no, for just rehearsals for MPO, no. Yan, open rehearsals. Medyo konti lang yung mga tao, but it was a really fun one, no. Wednesday, sobrang init. Going back to Makati Shangri-La. Grabe yung init nung Wednesday. Talagang ramdam na ramdam mo. So this would be my second performance of the week. Yan, same place, Lobby Lounge, 10-piece group. Yan, palabas na kami, and then pauwi na din. Tag mo yung tropa mong may maingay na Civic. Yan, binulabog yung car park. Yan. And then next day, Thursday, I went to Silang for my violin group class. I also procured some stocks for the shop as well. No, so dapat pag meron kang business, no, marami kang suppliers, no, hindi ka nagre-rely sa isa lang. And then in the afternoon, I went to BGC for another performance, no. This one was a really fun performance, string quartet with a DJ, no. Sobrang saya. Ang saya nung performance. This was in the W 5th Avenue sa Cork Elite in BGC. Yan. Remy Martin 300 with DJ Dax. So ayun, some photos and photos with DJ Dax. Ayun, thank you again. This was parang siyang nasa open area. Medyo mainit, no, pero it was fun. Yeah, we had a few drinks after and some food. And daming tao. But it was really, really fun. Okay, and then Friday, another performance at Makati Shangri-La. And then Saturday, we had a performance for a wedding with Third Ave sa East Ocean Palace. And then Sunday, turo duties and cafe duties naman. So, it was a really fulfilling. No, hindi naman ako sobrang napagod. Hindi ako nakaramdam ng pagod or something. Ano lang, nakaramdam lang sobrang init na yan. So, group class muna in the morning. And then, at night, after ng mga ginagawa, I had to edit my research paper. My final paper for my grad school. Siguro pag-usapan natin ito pag tapos na. Pero for now, yun muna. I also do consultations sa mga research papers. So, yeah. See you soon.